Here we go. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you fix more than just my air conditioner?
No, thanks.
Don't say no. I can make you rich.
Get under the air conditioner, lady. And cool off. I'm not interested in that.
Idiot. Wait. That's not what I meant.
What are you talking about?
I need handsome guy for public events. You've got the money, and we'll buy the rest. Good boy.
That's how I got into the golden cage that almost ruined my life. Oh my, it's just wow.
Snap up your pretty smile and stop talking.
Oh my God, Linda.
Cody, Jack, what a surprise.
Yeah, what a surprise. Oh, you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Mike,
See you later and have a nice evening.
Thank you.
do the rich usually not greet people?
No one cares what your name is, so you will talk only when I tell you to. And if you will improvise, you will not get a penny from me.
Mrs. Brown, your table is ready.
Thank you.
Would you like a drink right away?
I'd like a cold beer, please.
Oh no, he's not having a beer. Please bring a bottle of Chateau Merlot and 2 steaks.
Sorry, I don't eat meat.
That'll be all. Thank you. Didn't I tell you to open your mouth just when I say you so? You'll eat what I say. Listen, idiot. You're not here for your pleasure. You're here for my status.
Okay, I was ready to shut up for the big money, but I had no idea what would happen next.
Oh, somebody pinch me. Oh, it's my gorgeous, beautiful Linda. So good to see you, Linda. Oh, you look ravishing. You look beautiful, fantastic. Listen, Linda, you old... But the lawyers? The lawyers and the divorce wasn't enough? You gotta humiliate me in front of everyone? Oh, Linda, it's so good to see you. So gorgeous.
Calm down and take a seat.
Oh, I'd love to sit with you and join you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Richie, I've decided to take a path of reconciliation. Why do we need these wars and lawyers, darling? Let's just divide our property in half and move on with our lives. I'll have young lover, you'll have young mistress. Deal.
You see, that's the thing, Linda. I don't have a young mistress.
You have now. Susan?
You asked me why I was shocked to see her? Because she was my one true love.
She's pretty. Sexy. Nice. I like her.
So,
You're talking about business? Maybe let's get to it?
with pleasure. Kids, why don't you go to have some drink in the bar?
Sure, ma'am.
Are you deaf? I said get up and go to the bar. Now.
Right.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I was going to ask you the same thing.
just looking to make some extra cash.
Well, so am I.
How dare you?
How dare you leave me 2 years ago?
Only because he loved you so much. Oh, thank you.
And not for me, thanks.
No! Drink whatever you want. Listen, don't you realize what you're gonna have to pay to this guy?
Yes, I do. Thank you very much. Do you realize that this is all because of you, Mike? I have to put myself through this because I'll never be happy in my life. At least with this, I can drink expensive whiskey.
I left her because I was afraid to subject her to a life of poverty. She would never have come to a party like this with me. But here she is, and her life is shattered because of me. And I'm begging you, don't do this. Don't do this.
I already took the money. It's too late.
Mike, dear. Looks like it's time for a beer, because someone just made my day. Thank you, Richard.
No, thank you, Linda. That's a nice little gift.
Have a good time.
We will.
As she walked away, holding hands with this rusty old man, I realized I had to do something.
Mike, honey, do you want a bonus? I'll pay for it.
Oh yeah, it will.
Hey, what? Oh, here? Mike, what the hell are you doing? Mike, everyone is looking at us.
Oh really?
Yes, Mike, you are embarrassing me.
Yeah, I'm just, I'm returning everything,
Mike?
including these damn pants.
Mike, are you fucking crazy? You are ruining my reputation.
Yeah, of course, I know that. And I'm enjoying it.
Mike!
What?
No, you wouldn't dare.
Yeah, say that to my thick young butt lady. Hey.
Mike, you...
Yes, you are. I'm an idiot. I'm a moron. A jerk, a fool.
Hey, the hell's going on here?
Old man, I'm warning you. If you interrupt me again, I'm gonna smash your face on that damn table.
Linda, you! Linda, what are you doing bringing this piece of meat into this room, huh? Linda!
Let me make up for my mistakes. We may not have the money for all this fancy stuff, but I'll fix the air conditioners and bring every penny home.
As long as you come home.
I lost my love not because I was poor. I was just a coward who was finally able to overcome his fears. I'm Mike, and that's how I saved my love story.